In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Collab feature on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on Instagram, tap on plus icon and here select post. Now you can add to your post some photos or videos. I'll select that one and after that tap next. Add here some filter if you want, tap next and there select tag people. Now there you can add tag and invite collaborator. So I'll select invite collaborator, and when you invite a collaborator, they can share your post to their profile grid and with their followers in feed. If they do, they'll be shown as another author of the post. So here in the search bar I need to put in some username of some person on Instagram. I'll type in my another account username. And after that select my account, and now I see that my another account is collaborator for that post. If my account accepts, your post will be shared to their followers and they'll be shown as an author of the post. So now I tap done, and here I can write a caption or edit this post in any way that I want. And after that, when I'm ready with that post, I tap on share. So that post was successfully created, and now I need to go to my another account to accept invitation of being collaborator. To do that, tap here on heart icon, and there you see that account tagged you in a post. You can tap on that notification and you see that this specific account invited you to be a collaborator on their post. Tap review and here tap accept. And now you see how it looks like the post published in my another account feed, and here you see two authors of that post. So now I make a collaboration with my two accounts. I hope this video helped you out, guys. So before you go, please like and subscribe.